Hey everybody, what's going on? It's been a while since I've made a video, so I figured I'd just put one out there to kind of let everybody know what I've been doing and what's been going on. I'm changing up a few things on the Silverado, putting a bigger intercooler in it, and I'm changing the downpipe. I'm kind of redoing all that. I built that kind of in a hurry and it's served its purpose, but it's time to do something a little bit cleaner. So let me show you what we've got going on. So got my new stainless downpipe. I'm in the process of getting tacked up and make work, and a bit light on down there. And as you can see, it's just kind of goes down, ducks, and we're going to try to shoot it. That cable get out of the way down through there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do on the rest of the mid pipe, just due to the fact that it's kind of, I don't know, in the way, but probably gonna end up changing that. But I've also got the wastegate off and everything like that. Same wastegate, but I do have a new boost controller that I'm gonna put in and try this thing out and see how it works. New gasket for the turbo. I don't know if I really need it, but I want to go ahead and put one of those on anyway. I'm also going to do the Duramax dryer because I am going to get my air conditioner fixed before the summer. And Duramax dryer, instead of having the fitting right here, I think it moves it to like right there, so it frees up a lot more space because that's pretty tight. Even though this bend right here is about an inch tighter than the original one. There is actually the original downpipe. It was kind of a two-piece. It clamped right there, you know, slid in right there. You know, it served its purpose, but it was kind of ugly. The wastegate where it gets recirculated in just kind of slid in there. It wasn't actually sealed up or anything like that. So the new one I'm going to kind of tie in to it and make it a little bit better. Also the intercooler that I'm going to put on, typical 4-inch wide intercooler. I think it's an inch wider than what's on there, and I think it's about 6 inches further across. So we're gonna put that in there. I've run this type of intercooler previously and actually had decent luck with it. There's the old wastegate recirc flange and stuff, but ran that one, had really good luck with it, and probably end up going back with that. Probably still going to put it down in the lower valance area and try that out. Maybe I can get the intake air temperatures down under 200 degrees on a pass. So hopefully that'll help things out. I'll probably do some update videos on the downpipe. I'm not going to make a whole video of me welding up a downpipe. That gets kind of boring, and I'm not a very good welder to boot. But I did come across a little tool for TIG welding guys. I'll show you what it is. I'll set the camera up and we'll show you what we got. Okay, so I found this dude on eBay. I'm such a terrible welder that I'm constantly dipping my tungsten in my working puddle and always having to clean it out and everything. So I found this dude on eBay. I've kind of been looking at these for a little bit, and the price was right, so I went ahead and grabbed one. Previously I was using one of these little diamond cutoff wheels. You can get these at Harbor Freight. I think they're like $6-7, something like that, and they come with a couple of them. That's what I was using to dress up my tungsten. It worked okay, didn't have any problems with it, but what I want to try to do and help improve my welding is get a level of consistency on my my welds. So like I said, I'm not the greatest, but I'm trying. But anyway, what I like about this is you have multiple sizes, your 3/32 and your 1/16 inch tungsten. Like here's a 1/16. Individual holes for these, so you've got like a 20-degree cut, 15-degree cut on all of them. So slides in, meets the disc, and then turn your little Dremel rotary tool that you have on, spin it around, and boom, out comes a nice little tip. And what I think this is going to help me with is just the consistency. If I can keep a good consistent tip shape, then it'll probably help me further on the long run. That's what I hope. The other thing that I find really cool about this is each one of these holes align out different for different spots of the cutting wheel. So wherever you're at, you're not actually sharpening your tip on the same spot, so you get more life out of your cutting disc. And the cool thing about these discs that came with the kit, they're double-sided, so when that side wears out, flip it over and put it right there. This is just a simple piece of aluminum that threads onto your rotary tool. Mine's a Dremel. I've had this thing about 15 years and it still works unbelievably. So the package comes with your fitting, comes with the arbor right there, and your cutting discs. Little package that had everything in it. Like I said, another package of 4 or 5 discs, another arbor, another screw to hold it all in place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it makes a pretty nice little cut on there. I don't know if that's going to focus, but that's one part of one. I think that's the 20 degree, maybe the 15, I don't remember. And that's a little bit more aggressive size. Not gonna focus real well, but anyway, you get the idea. I mean, good, clean tungsten, and go from there. So anyway, like I said, I picked this thing up off eBay. It was like 40 bucks to my door. Got it in four days or so. But anyway, I'm gonna give this a shot and see how it works. Like I said, I've been sharpening these 2 tungsten up, worked really well with it. So hopefully that'll help with the consistency of my welding, because I'm fixing to do a little bit more than I want to with the downpipe and the intercooler. So there you go, everybody. Not a tremendous amount of stuff going on here in the garage with me, but you know, I find stuff to keep me busy. Like I said, I'll put pictures on Instagram and Facebook, stuff like that, and probably do some shorts to show the downpipe build and probably some of the intercooler stuff that I plan on doing. I will probably make a video on the eBoost 2 controller that I've got. That's what I'm going to be running my boost controller setup on. Kind of an install on that. I got a pretty cool little piece that goes in the dash. That's all mounted up right now. All I've got to do is just run the Mac valve and all the hoses and wiring and all that stuff. But that'll be a video for another time. Anyway, this is basically just an update on what's going on. Haven't made a lot of them here lately. Started a new job, so I'm busy learning new things and working. So anyway, I appreciate y'all sticking around, and hit subscribe, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a good weekend. We'll catch you later.